as you can see, the wind's really picked up now, and it's even flooding under the Bargola. I've never seen the water get like this. Look at that. It's like a freaking river at the moment. I don't have a boat or anything, but anyway, look at that. That's how bad. I've never ever seen the backyard like that ever before. Just walk around here. Oh, my freaking bowling bag. Oh no, I've got to get the bowling bag out of the way. I don't want that getting water in it. Get that out the way. You can see the water. I've never ever seen water get up that far. That just goes to show how much rain we've had. No wonder the Bargola hasn't smashed. Unbelievable. Look at that. I don't know where everyone else in Sydney, if the storm's hit them. I know it did hit Liverpool not long ago, but that's just insane. But something different on the Sunday. You can see right up the back there. There's water coming through on the neighbours there where that tree is. And it's running where that big tree is on the corner, and it's running down on the side. So it's pretty bad. I've never seen the water go like that before, so unless there's some trouble somewhere else, you probably can't see it on the video, but there's definitely water gushing just underneath that tree, underneath the fence. It's like all this water rushing, it's just flooded everything. But the rain's just starting to ease off now. That's very interesting. Something different anyway.